19 Safe Ways to Fix iPhone Overheating. 1. Close unnecessary apps. Background apps can cause overheating. Here's how to close unnecessary apps. Open Multitasking View. On iPhones with Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold. On iPhones with a home button, press the home button twice. Swipe up unnecessary apps. Find the app you want to close, then swipe up on the app card to close it. 2. Turn off unnecessary features. Features like Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi can cause your iPhone to overheat if used continuously. Turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, and then open Bluetooth, and then turn them off if not needed. Turn off Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, and then open Wi-Fi, then turn off if not needed. Turn off GPS. Go to Settings, and then Privacy, then Location Services. Then turn off this feature, or choose apps that do not need to use the location. 3. Reduce screen brightness. High screen brightness can cause your iPhone to overheat. It's best to set it to the default brightness level on your iPhone. Lower screen brightness. Go to Settings, then open Display and Brightness, then slide the brightness slider to a lower level and turn off auto brightness. Adjust brightness in Control Center. Reduce brightness in dark conditions and increase brightness in bright conditions or under sunlight. 4. Clear app cache and data. Apps that accumulate cache data can affect performance and cause overheating. Clear app cache. For apps like Safari, go to Settings. Then open Safari. Then scroll down and clear history and website data. Five. Update iOS. Operating system and app updates often include bug fixes that can resolve overheating issues. Update iOS. Go to Settings. Then open General. Then open Software Update. Then download and install any available updates. 6. Delete unused apps. Unused apps can run in the background and impact performance. Delete unnecessary apps. Hold the app icon on the home screen until it jiggles, then tap the X or select Remove App. You can also delete multiple apps by holding an empty part of the home screen until it jiggles and icons show a sign. Delete unused apps accordingly. 7. Avoid using in hot environments. Do not use your iPhone in hot places, such as under direct sunlight or in a hot car. 8. Use a proper case. Thick cases without good ventilation can cause your device to overheat. Use a case with good ventilation. Consider using a case designed for good heat dissipation. 9. Avoid unofficial chargers. Charging your iPhone for too long or using unofficial chargers can cause overheating. Use official Apple chargers. Ensure you use Apple-approved chargers and cables. Unplug after full charge. Unplug your iPhone from the charger once it's fully charged. 10. Turn off screen animations. Animations and visual effects can strain the GPU and cause overheating. Reduce animations. Go to Settings, then go to Accessibility, then tap Motion, then enable Reduce Motion. 11. Check problematic apps. Some apps may cause your device to overheat due to poor optimization. Identify battery-heavy apps. Go to Settings, scroll and go to Battery, then check for apps using excessive battery. Consider removing or reinstalling these apps. 12. Use airplane mode. In areas with poor signal, your iPhone works harder to find a signal, which can cause overheating. Enable airplane mode. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open Control Center, then tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode. 13. Disable background app refresh. Some apps continuously update content in the background, causing overheating. Turn off background app refresh. go to Settings. Then go to General. And then go to Background App Refresh. Then turn it off or disable it for specific apps. 14. Remove unnecessary widgets. Active widgets on the lock or home screen can increase CPU usage and cause overheating. Remove unnecessary widgets. Swipe right on the home screen to see widgets. Scroll down and tap Edit, then remove unnecessary widgets. 15. Reduce notifications. Excessive notifications can increase device workload and cause overheating. Reduce notifications. Go to Settings, then go to Notifications, and turn off notifications for unnecessary apps. 16. Use dark mode. Dark mode can reduce screen load and save battery, especially on OLED screens. 17. Avoid using iPhone while charging. Using your iPhone while charging can cause it to heat up faster. Avoid use during charging. Let the device charge without heavy use. 18. Check battery health. An old or damaged battery can cause your device to overheat. Check battery health. Go to Settings, then go to Battery menu. Then go to Battery Health to check the condition. Consider replacing the battery if it's in poor condition. 19. Monitor data usage. High data usage can make your device work harder and heat up. Check data usage. Go to Settings, then Cellular, and check for apps using a lot of data, then limit their usage if necessary.